Different legs.
Kangaroo.
Different shells. Different shells. Different legs.
Wanderer, I am Mrs. Hammett. Today I'm going to teach you a poem. I wonder what today's poem will be about. Let's see the book. This is the book here. It's called Llewellyn, but we are going to have a look at the poem called Tuwanga. Tuwanga. Tuwanga meaning muscles. We are going to remember these words. Tuwanga, muscle, biri, creek, minna means meat, and tungala means bucket. I love mussels, lovely food.
Track the word as I read.
Ngayon binatuan minna dapar buton ko. Ngayon is I, bina means love, and tuanga muscles. Minna is meat. Dapar is good. And butungo is very, very good. Tuanga meaning muscles.
Say the word we need to remember.
Say tuanga. Again, tuanga. Again, tuanga. One more time, tuanga. What does tuanga mean?
Track and read together.
Ngayon binatuan ka? Minadapar buton ko? We always go to Kappa Creek.
Track the word as I read.
Nganda nichin datara Kappa biriwi? Ngandan is we. Nichin is always. Tatara is going. We go to Kappa Creek. Biriwi is to the creek. Biri is creek.
Say the word we need to remember.
Say biri. Again, say biri. Again, say biri. One more time, say biri. What does biri mean?
Track and read together.
Nganda nichin datara kappa biriwi? Lots of mussels live in the mud.
Track the word as I read.
Minna kalmba warkai ko bundiwi ningagal. Minna is meat. Kalmba warkai ko is lots. Bundiwi is in the mud. Ningangal means that sit in the mud. Minna is meat.
Say the word we need to remember.
Say minna. Again, say minna. Again, say minna. One more time, minna. What does minna mean?
Track and read together.
Minna kalmba warkai ko, bundi winingangal. We fill the bucket and take some for our families.
Track the word as I read.
Ngandan tungalawi bunchincher, tawon be mandino. Ngandan means we. Tungala is in the bucket. Bunchincher is collecting. Tawon be is for friends. And mandinu is to take. Tungala is a bucket.
Say the word we need to remember.
Say tungala. Again, say tungala. Again, say tungala. One more time, tungala. And what does tungala mean?
Track and read together.
Ngandan tungala we bunchincher tawon bimandino.
Let's read the words we need to remember.
Tuwanga, mussels. Biri is creek. Minna is meat. Tungala is a bucket. And this is the end of the lesson. Well, it's time for us to go. So goodbye.